In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Hotmail storage limits. This is a handy skill to have if you're looking to manage your email storage more effectively, or if you're simply curious about how much space you have left. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Outlook website. You'll want to make your way to the Outlook login page using your web browser. Simply open a new tab and type in the address for Microsoft 365's Outlook login page. Once you're there, you'll see a bright blue button that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now you'll need to enter your username and password to access your account. This might sound like a no-brainer, but make sure you've keyed in your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Outlook homepage. Welcome to your digital mail hub. Next, take a look around the screen for a small gear icon. This represents your settings. Clicking on the settings gear is your gateway to managing several aspects of your Outlook experience, including checking that all-important storage. After clicking on the settings, a sidebar should appear. Here, you'll want to navigate your mouse to the option marked Account. Clicking on Account will open up more choices related to your account settings. Once you are in the Account section, direct yourself to find and click on the option labelled Storage. Clicking this will give you a detailed view of how much storage space you're currently using. Lastly, within the storage section, you'll see an option that says Total Used. Clicking on Total Used will give you an exact breakdown of the space you've utilized so far. This is where you can see a full summary of your storage, helping you understand how much room you have left and whether you need to consider making some space. Remember that having a clean and organized inbox can make your email experience much more seamless and prevent unnecessary clutter. It might be a good idea to regularly check your storage limits, allowing you to proactively manage your space and delete any forgotten, old, or spam emails that are taking up precious storage. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to checking your Hotmail storage limits. Follow these steps whenever you're curious or need to keep an eye on your email space. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay organized to make the most out of your email experience.